Hello, and we will be learning a new thing, game designing.
And we are here to make a very, very simple and very, very popular game that is known as tic tac toe. So here I go, I'll start. So this area is your preview area where you will actually see how your video or how your whatever you will create will look like. Here you have all the commands, you can use it, and here you'll be writing the code. Alright, so the platform we are using is code.org, and we are going to develop the newest and the finest game. So let's set the background first. So maybe I'll set the background, say pink. Alright. Then what is the next thing? I am going to make a new sprite. So how am I going to make a new sprite? I'm going to go to draw. I'll go here, and what is the thing which I will do? I'm going to make it like this, and I'm going to make it like this, or you can make it little darker here, so it's like you can see it. Okay, so my drawing is not that good, so you'll have to bear with me for this drawing. All right, and then you have this, and then you have this. All right, so this is what you draw here, or let's make it a little more. I've made it a little more darker for you, the wider for you. So this is how I go about it. All right, so here I go in the code mode. I'm going to select this, I'll select here, and this is this. But this is very, very small. So what is the next thing which we will do here? We are going to set the size. How will you set the size? You'll change the sprite and make it, let's say 400. Okay, it still looks little smaller. Let's make it 450. Okay, no, let's make it then 500. Correct? So I think this is so good. Now, what is the next thing which we have to do? The next thing is we have to select. What do you have to select? That here a cross and a zero should come. So what we should do in this case? You will go to sprites, and okay, so before I make this, first I want to say that when this happens, happens means events. So this is the first thing which we will say. So when clicked means when you click on this grid, what happens? A new sprite comes. So let's say a new sprite is, again we are going to draw here, go to this place, and I'm going to take this one, and I will draw a cross, and maybe let's color this up in some other color because black is the grid. So let me take the red color and fill it with red color. All right, so I'll take this here, and I'm going to make a new sprite, right? All right, so this is the first thing, right? Then I'll go to the next one. Again, I'm going to make a new sprite, and maybe I want to make a circle, so I'm going to draw again. I'll go here, and I have this, so I'm going to make it like this, plus I'm going to color it, say blue. All right, so let's make it blue color. Okay, sorry. All right, so I have the blue circle here, so I'll make this as blue. Okay, now if you observe carefully, see what happens. Both are coming at the same place, correct? So what we have to do, we'll keep them at which locations? We will keep it, I'll remove this 200, I'm going to remove this 200 also, and I am going to go to locations, and I will say mouse location. Why will you put mouse location? Because wherever you will click the sprite, see here, so it will come here, it will come here, it will come here, it will come here, it will come here. But as you observe here, what is happening? Both of them are coming here. So what we should do in this case? We should use a logic, correct? So logic is if. So this is what we will be using here. If what? If number of sprites this is equal to number of sprites this, correct? So how we will make this? I will go to say sprites and not this, maybe variables. Okay, I don't see the, okay, here it is. So I'll say here number, I'll just keep this down so that you are able to see it easily. Number this, and where was it? I think in math. Yes. So here you will make the red one and here you will make the blue one. So what happens? You say when this is equal to this, you should put say only the first one, not the second. Else, now you have to put a else. How will you put a else? You have to click here and this is the button which you will be using for the else condition, correct? So not sure why it's not taking. Put this up. Okay, let me just check this. It doesn't. No, we don't have to take else if, we just have to take the else button. Okay. So what happens when you click, you make this, else you make this. Now see what will happen. See, red, then blue, then red, then blue, then red, then blue. Oh, you won. So see, this is what? This is your tic-tac-toe game. Easy? Alright. So this is what you have to do here. Right? Okay. Correct. So this is one thing which you have made. Now suppose what I do is if I click here and I click here, that's fine. But by mistake if I click here, you get the button, circle here. Or if you click here, you get the cross here. It's coming alternatively, but yes, it's on the grid and we don't want that. So in this case, what we should do? Yes, I will tell you what we should do. In this case, you can go to say events, and when you say this, when you click on what? On this, what happens? We will say go to behavior, sprite begins, and let's make this, go to behaviors and make it being draggable. So what will be the advantage over here? See, if you click here and by mistake it's here, you can drag it. So that's the advantage. That's what we are trying to do. Understood? So what is the next thing which I'll do? Okay, I'll go to events again. Yes, this is the correct one. I'll take the blue one and again I'll go to behaviors. I'll take sprite begins. I'm going to take the blue one again and I'll go to behaviors and say being draggable. So yes, if by mistake you've clicked here, you can drag it here. If you've clicked here, you can drag it here. Like this, you can keep on doing. So that is where you can start doing. So this is one thing. Plus what we can do, let's put some sounds also. So we will say when you put this, let's put some sound, maybe let's choose digital sound. Okay. Yeah, so this is the one which we will take for this. And maybe being draggable, again I'm going to world, I'm going to take the play sound, I'm going to choose this one, go here and maybe We take this one. No. Not good. Oh, the sounds are not that good. Oh, I'm just taking this, although I'm not liking it. So what happens when you click here? It's there, right? When you click here, it's there. Correct? So this is how your sounds will be there. Okay, you were not able to hear the sounds. I think we should keep it then this side. Let me see if it works over here. Okay. Yes. Correct. So it works. And